Hello children, today we are going to discuss about light. Children, what is light? Light is a form of energy. It is a form of energy. It enables us to see the world around us. Okay children, how light enables us to see the object from which it comes after reflection. This I am going to explain you later on, reflection. Now our first topic is rectilinear propagation of light. Okay, what is this rectilinear propagation? Last year you have learned in class 6, rectilinear means straight. Rectilinear propagation. So we are going to discuss that light travels in a straight line, and this is called rectilinear propagation of light. Children, we can prove this by a simple activity. What we will do, we will take one straight tube. You know, science wants proof for everything. And one we are going to take bent tube. Okay, this is bent in between. We have taken these two tubes and we have placed one candle. Are we able to see from this tube? Yes. We are able to see the candle, flame of the candle by this tube. Okay. And by this tube, we are not able to see. Why? Just because of this bending. Okay. So we are able to see the candle flame through a straight tube, but not through the bent tube. This is because light travels in a straight line. And that is called rectilinear propagation of light. Okay. Is this clear to all of you? Rectilinear propagation of light explains a lot of phenomena associated with light. One such phenomena is formation of shadow. Children, you have seen like in dark room. Okay. When you shine a torch in a dark room, you can see a beam of light. Torch, you can see a beam of light. This is beam of light. Anything which comes in the path of this beam of light, suppose any toy is there, your ball is there. Okay, like this is torch and the ball is there, you can see the shadow is formed on the wall. Okay, like if you place a toy in front of a lighted candle, a shadow can be seen on the wall. This shadow is formed when your toy blocks the light traveling in a straight line. This line is traveling in a straight line and this has blocked the light. This ball has blocked the light, so the shadow is formed on the wall. Shadow means that portion has become black. This ball has stopped the light. This ball has, you have learnt about solar eclipse and lunar eclipses last year. More instances are there in our life related with this rectilinear propagation of light. One, I am telling you that suppose when you play hide and seek, any child is hiding behind the almirah. Are you able to see that child? No. Why? Because the light which is falling on that child is not coming to your eyes. Like this is almirah. Any one is there. Okay. The light falling on this child is not reaching. Suppose you are standing here. This light is not reaching to your eyes because of this almirah. Almirah has blocked the light. That is why you are not able to see. As I told you in the beginning, light enables us to see the object from which it comes after reflection. Like this reflected light is not reaching to our eyes. Okay, after reflection it is going somewhere else. That is why we are not able to see the things behind the wall, or any object come in between, we are not able to see the other objects. So this is what rectilinear propagation of light. Now I am coming to the reflection of light. Second topic is also very important, reflection of light. Children, what is reflection? Bouncing back of light is called reflection. What? Bouncing back. When you are throwing ball and it comes back to you, that is called like reflection. Like you are any, suppose this is mirror. All the surfaces, they reflect the light. Okay, all the surfaces, they reflect the light. The process sending back the light rays which falls on the surface of an object is called reflection of light. Reflection of light. All objects, they reflect. That's why we are able to see them. Suppose any, like this duster is there, we are able to see. Why? Because the light is falling on it and after reflection it is coming to our eyes. That is why we are able to see. Okay. Like when example I am giving you, like a well polished shining surface, like mirror. This is well polished shining surface. We are able to see our image in it. Okay, why? Because of reflection of light. Besides the mirror, other smooth polished surfaces also reflect light. For example, we must have seen reflections of trees or buildings in still water of ponds. You have seen that, children? I have seen the reflection of trees in still water of ponds or lakes, and you can see your face in stainless steel plates. This is because still water and stainless steel also reflect light. You have seen when the water is still, you can see the image reflection of buildings. Okay, there you can see the image of the building in that. Now children, one thing I would like to tell you, reflection in this. Suppose this is mirror. Okay, we polished mirror, it is polished from the back side. Mirror, you have seen polished from the back side. Any ray which is falling on it, how image is formed? Just see, any ray is falling, light ray, and what happen, it strikes this mirror and then it bounces back. This ray is called incident ray. And which bounces back, this is called reflected ray. Reflected ray. Okay, and the point here, we are going to draw this normal, this line. All these are, this normal is imaginary. Okay, हम लोग अपने आप से ड्रॉ कर देते हैं. जैसे ये रे फॉल करी इस पे. Okay, and the angle between normal and incident ray is called angle of incidence. What do we call this? Angle of incidence. And this, the angle between normal and the reflected ray is called angle of reflection. This is small r angle of reflection. Okay. Suppose this is what tree. It's suppose any tree is there. Okay. And the rays are coming and falling on this mirror, and after reflection they are coming to your eyes. Okay. You are able to see this tree in the mirror. Okay. Suppose this tree is hidden. ऐसे आप नहीं देख पा रहे हो, but the rays are falling on the mirror and this ray is coming to your eyes, then you are able to see the reflection of the mirror. Sometimes this happens. Okay, so this is called law of reflection. Law of reflection. There are two laws of reflection. First law is this angle of incidence. First law is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. These two angles are always same. Second law, incident ray, reflected ray and this normal, they lie in the same plane. Okay, so there are two laws, they lie in the same plane. Same plane. So two laws I told you, law of reflection, and because of this reflection we are able to see, like you are able to see chair, table in the room, whatever the object is present you are able to see just because of reflection. And reflection, you know, any object, not only mirror. In mirror you can see the image, but other object they are reflecting and you are able to see them. Okay, like tree in the garden, you are seeing tree, wall, plants. Why you are able to see? Because the light is falling on them and after reflection they are reaching to your eyes and then you are able to see them. And the rays which are not falling to in your eyes, you are not able to see. Now children, I am going to tell you about reflecting surfaces. Reflecting surfaces are of two types. Regular or smooth. Okay, regular is surface is also what? Smooth surfaces. We refer to a smooth surface as a regular surface. A regular surface reflects a parallel beam of light. Children, I am drawing here. Regular. Okay. In regular surfaces, what happens, children? A regular surface reflects a parallel beam. This is parallel beam. Okay. The rays which are coming parallelly are called parallel beam. Okay. So a regular surface, this is regular surface, means smooth. Okay. Reflects a parallel beam of light incident. These are incident rays. Now it is clear. On any surface, like smooth surface, incident upon it in only one direction, reflect only in one direction. Okay, the parallel beam you are seeing, okay, parallel beam of light incident upon it in only one direction. After reflection it is going in one direction. Such surfaces we get a proper image like mirror. Reflection by a regular surface is referred to as a regular reflection. Okay, this is what regular reflection. Example, mirror, steel plate, etc. Regular reflection. Okay. And a rough and wavy surface is an irregular surface. Irregular. What type reflection takes place in this? Now this surface, when we see it very, like with the help of magnifying glass, wall, suppose we are taking example wall, why are we not able to see our reflection in on walls? Just because the surface is irregular, uneven. Okay, these bumps are there. A rough surface reflects a parallel beam of light incident upon it in all direction. Okay, like this parallel beam is there, but it is going in different direction. That is why the proper image doesn't form. Okay, a rough surface reflects a parallel beam of light incident upon it in all direction. The small bumps and irregularities on a rough surface cause each of the light ray to reflect in different direction. This kind of reflection is called irregular reflection. Like wood. Okay, wood is the example of irregular reflection. We cannot see the image in that. Okay, so this is irregular and this is regular reflection. Okay, children, thanks.